What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, finished the front end. Alright guys, here's the front end all put together. I did not record anything of it because this was pretty hard to carry here, and I didn't have my camera person to help me record, but it's pretty basic. We got our bumper put in, we got the headlights. The bumper, all it has is 2 bolts here and then a bolt on the bracket here. Same thing with our 2 bolts there and a bracket there. Make sure it's all aligned. We got our headlights and we got our temporary grill. We did order an HD grill here, so there we have it. If you guys want detailed instructions on how to remove and install the grill, I will be doing that once I wrap it. I'm going to be removing everything again. Same thing with the bumper. If you guys want details on how to properly install the bumper, I will be showing you guys that when I wrap the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and I remove the headlights, remove the grill, and I'm going to go ahead and wire up our fog lights. So this truck did not come originally with fog lights. It was the 08 ones where it didn't have this hole here and this was all blocked off, no fog lights, but I want fog lights on this one. I think it looks a lot better. We do have to wire these in though, because again, this truck did not come with them, so we need to make sure we run all our wiring. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First off, you need some HIDs. I'm going with these Extreme Vision 8000K HIDs. Second, we need our wiring harness. This you can purchase. I got this on eBay, I think for like 40 bucks. And it's a wiring harness that connects directly. It's plug and play. Some instructions here and some zip ties. And last, you'll also need the switch to turn them on. So got a brand new one here that has the fog light switch here. Should be plug and play. We'll give it a shot. I'm going ahead and adding these connectors here. The original ones that came with the wiring are these type, but the ones that come with the HID, let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so most HID kits come with something like this, and you're just supposed to push it in here, one on each side, and then pray and hope to God that this never comes off. So if you guys ever drive around and you guys notice some tacuaches out there with their single cab Silverados with the HIDs flickering, it's most likely because they have something like this and it doesn't make a good connection. So what I'm doing is cutting off these ends and adding some of these, soldering them. That way we have a strong connection with the one I did over here. So, and it's waterproof, it won't come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder the other side here, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, we gotta start off by cutting these ends here. I'm gonna strip back about 1/2 inch. And then on the other side too. Okay. Once we got both sides, we're gonna add some shrink wrap here, shrink tube or whatever you call this. Slide it in before you start soldering. Important step here. So once you got it in, grab obviously black to black, red to red, just kind of twist them together. Other side. And just twist it together. Alright, so we're gonna grab, I'm gonna place this here. I'm gonna grab a soldering iron and some of this solder, and we're gonna just solder these. So just put a little bit on each side. It's good on there. This side. That's good. So the reason why I like soldering instead of quick disconnects or any other type of connections, these are solid. This will never come off. So we're gonna slide over our shrink tube here. Use our favorite lighter. And you'll see it start shrinking here. All right, one down. One more to go. All right, so we got it. So now when we go ahead and install this, I'm gonna be going under the truck and just running this wire under there. So this part, I'll show you how the HID connections are made out here. All right, so obviously this is the one coming from the truck. We're gonna connect this one, the connections we just made. These are brand new. All right, from this one, you're gonna connect it directly to your ballast. This comes in all in your HID kit. So you connect it to your ballast, and then this side goes to your light bulbs. So this light bulb is gonna go inside the fog light, and then you put this one on here. It's simple plug and play. And then this one on here. That's it. So if everything's wired correctly, these should turn on once we press that button inside the truck. So I'm gonna go under the truck and I'm gonna go ahead and run this wiring. All right, first step is jacking it up so I can go under here. Since it is lowered, I don't fit in there. And then I'm gonna run the wiring. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna run it through there and bring it up to the fuse box. All right guys, just finished wiring up the fog lights. Put it through the front, all the way in there, into the fuse box here, and it goes into this fuse here. So there you can see it. Let me show you guys how I wired everything on the bottom. So there are the fog lights. These are tinted. So you go see them, tinted, and then I'll show you under how I wired them up. This is where the bulb is at. The ballast, I zip tied it here, and the wiring is coming down from up there. And then same thing from that side. Did the same thing. So now, moment of truth. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the truck on. And so this is the existing one here. You guys can see that? There's no button down here for the fog lights. It just comes off with a few clips here. Just use a panel removal tool. Take this out, and then I plugged in the new one temporarily here. So you can already see it turns on. I plugged it in temporarily just to try it out, so we'll see. So we have an indication here. Fog lights are on. And our fog lights are on. Look at that. We got it all working. Time to do the HIDs and the headlights, and we'll be done for today. Look at that, looks tight. All right guys, HIDs are simple plug and play. For the headlights, there's a bulb. For these I didn't have to solder anything. I did attach the ballast in the inside here with the sheet metal screw here. And then we have, everything's plug and play. We don't have to do any type of soldering because this one does have the connections here on the bottom. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this headlight in. All right guys, there you have it. All the lights done. Well, except for that one. I still need to wire that one up, but I'm not gonna show you. It's the same repetitive stuff, but we got the front bumper all installed. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish that headlight before it gets dark and then clean up this mess, but there you have it. Bam. I did order the HD grill. I didn't do the whole front end HD because I do not like the bumper on the HD. I love the 09 and up bumper with the little hole here. I don't like the HD bumper, but I do like the grill, so I changed the grill. So it's not gonna be this one. This is the one I have so far here. Hopefully that comes in the mail soon and we can go ahead and install that, but I'm so glad we at least have that. And the reason right now it's up here is because of the jack. And I needed to get down there, but bam. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in till next time where we find out if the truck actually runs and drives. If you guys want daily updates, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll post it down below. See you next time.